Behold a buff-banded rail stalking its prey, in this case a seed. These omnivores are not fussy and will eat carrion, crustaceans, fruit and seeds. This rail is searching for tiny insects amongst the leaf litter. Living near the eastern coast of Australia and its surrounding islands, this ground-dwelling species lives in wetlands and marshes. The dense reeds and vegetation provide it with food, a place to nest, and protection from predators like foxes and raptors.
Rails are highly territorial. Once they see an intruder, fights can break out. In order to better defend their territory and raise young, rails form lifelong monogamous pairs. Pairs with larger territories and more food tend to have larger brood sizes and more surviving chicks. The chicks are precocious but very vulnerable to attack. They therefore require protection from their parents. This family is at the end of their breeding season. The chicks no longer require constant supervision and needs to find its own territory and mates. As the bird ages, the light brown coloration on its neck will darken.
In the buff-banded rail, bathing is crucial in maintaining feather condition. This is important because feathers are essential in flight and provide protection from rain, sunlight, and parasites. Preening and caring for these feathers is required on a daily basis to maintain feather condition and to prevent the numerous bacteria and parasites that live in these feathers from degrading them. During preening, the bird plucks away any dirt and pulls out any parasites they find. A waxy oil coat is added to the feathers at the end of each session. The oil is excreted from a gland near the bird's tail, and this prevents the growth of harmful bacteria and fungi and keeps the feathers flexible. Feathers also help to maintain a 40 degrees Celsius body temperature. During resting periods, when the bird is not active, it tucks its beak and one leg into its feathers to conserve heat.
After a long day eating, preening, and defending territories, the buff-banded rails need to rest, and so do we. Good night.